Hello, today I'm reviewing this rice cooker and vegetable steamer. I will show how it works, I will show you what's inside and tell you everything you need to know. So today I'm going to show you how to use this rice cooker. I've had this for a year and honestly it makes cooking rice super easy. It's also a slow cooker and a steamer, but today we're just going to focus on making some rice. First things first, measuring the rice. The cooker comes with this little measuring cup, and if you want your rice to turn out right, use this, not a regular cup. I'm making 2 cups of rice today, which will end up being about 4 cups cooked. Rinsing your rice is important because it washes off extra starch so it does not get too sticky. I just fill the pot with water, swirl it around, drain it, and repeat until the water looks pretty clear. Now for the water. The inside of the pot has markings, which makes this easy. I'm making 2 cups of rice, so I'll fill the water up to the second line. But if you like your rice with a bit more moisture like I do, I actually fill it just under the third line. It gives the rice a softer texture without making it mushy. Then we just put our pot back into the cooker, close the lid, and turn it on. For white rice, all you have to do is press the white rice button, and that's it. The cool thing is just adjust temperature on its own to make sure the rice turns out fluffy. It takes about 30 minutes to cook, and the best part, when it's done, it automatically switches to keep warm mode, so you don't have to rush to take it out. And there it is, perfectly cooked rice. I always fluff it up with a spatula before serving to get rid of any extra moisture. Overall, I really love this rice cooker. It's super easy to use. It also makes great rice every time. And you can also use it for the brown rice or buckwheat. It's also nice that it works as a steamer and a slow cooker. And if you're someone who makes rice often, I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.